from Someka. Today in this France State Heat Map Generator video, I want to show you how to create your own heat map within a few minutes. I will introduce you handy features of this heat map and let me show you what I mean, but before that, if you need some assistance from the page, you can follow our instructions by clicking turn on here or use without instructions if you are comfortable. Now let's see the explanations of the sections. The first section is where the heat map is located. After receiving your information from data section on the right, you can display your data in here. Second part is data section. We have placed the population data in the abbreviations of the states just as an example. You can input your values here as manually or copy paste. Here as you can see, you can type your title here as manually. Lastly, in the settings section, it's all about how our heat map is look like. Let's dive into each of them. Under color palette, we have defined 5 color densities to here. These colors are indicated by your value limitations. For example, the red one in here indicates higher value of your data and this one indicates lower value of your data. But if you want to set different color on the heat map, select one of the cell, go to Home tab and change it from this drop down. In color and legend settings part, you can change the color of background and the state borders. Also, if you do not have data for some states or when the data is not in the range of the limitations, you can paint them gray for example. About legend display, you may want to show or hide the legend information on the heat map like this. It's your choice. You can change it them this drop down. Last part about text settings. When you click no text, you won't see anything on the heat map, just the colors. And the state names will show you state names on the heat map. When you click display text, you will see your text bar on the heat map. Lastly, you can change the font size from here. And let's go a little practice here by doing together step by step. I will go enter Excel workbook that I have been working on. These are the France GDP rates of 2011 that I copied here before. Actually, I've sorted them alphabetically to make some as with this ready-to-use template. I will copy of them and paste here as a value to prevent any confusion about my data. And about color density, I should define my value limitations, but before that I will go my own sheet again because I've calculated my minimum and maximum values here before to set limitations according to these data. Again, I will copy of them and paste here as a value again. After that, I will come in here and customize a little bit. Let's select red one and set black border color, and I will use the abbreviations of the states. Now ready to paint. Here, the last view of the heat map. As you see, the new heat map is colored according to my current values and borders are black as I do. In addition to this, you have a button here that says Export as a PDF, and when I click on that, it takes me to a page where I can print the final view of the heat map for my reports or slides. As you can see here. Lastly, you can make some customization on the heat map also. All the state shapes are editable, but before, I'm gonna go review section and click unprotect sheet. You'll be warned like this, write here your password. About password, you will receive your email after the download process. Now, I can move aside, resize it, also paint that blue for example. And I can just copy this shape to my PowerPoint slides, Excel workbooks or Word files. That's all. This ready-to-use template will summarize your data with a nice visual way. Thanks for watching and do not forget to check our other templates from Someka website. Thank you.